first and most crucial input to sprint planning is a product backlog that has been groomed prior to sprint planning so that the topmost items meet the Scrum team's definition of ready. Typically, this means that the topmost items have well-defined acceptance criteria and are appropriately sized, estimated, and prioritized. Engaged product owners also enter sprint planning having a good idea of what they want the team to deliver by the end of the sprint. They might have a specific set of high-priority backlog items in mind, or they might have a more general notion. Knowing that the sprint goal helps a team balance competing priorities, a product owner should communicate his initial sprint goal in a way that doesn't unduly influence the development team to commit to more than it can realistically deliver. The fact that the product owner knows what he or she wants does not necessarily mean that the development team is capable of delivering it during that sprint. A realistic commitment is achieved only through collaboration and at times negotiation between the product owner and the development team members. The sprint planning participants need to have the opportunity to review and discuss potential value-generating alternatives and decide what is practical given the team's capabilities, predicted velocity, and any known constraints. To acquire confidence in what it can accomplish, the development team will create a plan for how it will achieve the sprint goal. Collectively, the selected product backlog items and the plan form the sprint backlog. Most teams then break down each targeted product backlog item into a set of estimated tasks which collectively form the plan. Teams that take this approach typically follow a helpful rule of breaking down tasks so that no one task is more than 8 hours of effort, although some might be a bit larger. At this level of granularity, the team has a good idea of what really needs to be done and whether it can accomplish those tasks in the time it has available. At the end of sprint planning, the development team's commitment is communicated through a finalized sprint goal and the sprint backlog.